bloody eyeball cheesecakes.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. This is happy cream cheese, and I actually managed to find vampire happy cream cheese for Halloween, but only available in the month of October. I added to that a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a third of a cup of white granulated sugar, and then I creamed those things together, and then I added in 1 egg, and then continued to beat until it was nice and smooth and silky and fluffy. And don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl as you go, and try not to eat it right out of the bowl because it's that good. Now prepare your cupcake liners. These are Halloween themed, and you're going to put an Oreo cookie at the bottom of each one. That way you don't have to make a crust for these. And this recipe, I actually made a half recipe, which makes about 7.5 or so. So what I did is I started off with 7, and you're going to fill these up pretty much almost right up to the top, because cheesecake, when it bakes, it doesn't rise up a whole heck of a lot, just a little, but not a ton. So you can fill them up pretty good. And then I realized I had enough batter left over for an 8th one. Now you're going to bake these at 350 for 17 to 20 minutes approximately, until the edges are set and the center is just a little bit jiggly. Let them cool in the pan and then put them in the refrigerator and chill them for at least 3 or 4 hours until they're nicely chilled. As they chill, you'll see the center is actually going to go down. It's going to make like a little cup shape indentation in the center, which is perfect for holding raspberry sauce. This raspberry sauce I've made in at least 2 other videos, and I'll put a link in the description box where you can see how to make this sauce. Put a little circle of sauce on the top of each cheesecake, and then you're going to decorate by using some candy eyeballs. Now you can find these in a lot of places nowadays. I found mine at the Bulk Barn, but a lot of stores like Michael's or even Walmart will have these candy eyeballs around Halloween time. And there they are. These cheesecakes are delicious. It's great to have a little Oreo crust. This raspberry sauce is a great complement with it. You can see how nice and fluffy this cheesecake is. It's delicious. And they look awesome in a group of eyeballs on a Halloween dessert table. I have actually quite a few eyeball themed desserts on my channel, believe it or not. And here are a couple of them. If you want to see them, click on your screen and look for the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.